Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. So here, the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open your WhatsApp application on your Android or iOS. After that, just simply click on this settings at the bottom right of your screen. Now click on the chats option. In here, we have to export that specific conversation. So just simply tap on export chat and then you just have to select the conversation that you want to back up. Okay, so for example, this one. After that, you just have to click on the drive from the options below. That's right. And then click on the upload option at the top right of your screen. So right here, you'd be able to see the details, the location, the account of the drive. Okay, after that, just wait for a couple of seconds and now your WhatsApp messages has been backed up to your Google Drive. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.